Hello everyone, my name is Richmond Oppong and I'm here to present to you how to create your Cardano wallet. I believe when you have your incentives coming in, definitely you need a wallet to get your money into. So yeah, that's why I'm here to help you create your wallet. So let's begin. I'll take you through the steps, but before we begin, I have to let you know that at the end of this session I'll let you send your wallet address to me and then I'll dash you 10 ADA. That's for the first person who will send his wallet address, and I'll send a person 10 ADA. Okay, so let's begin. So when in the Cardano ecosystem, we have a lot of wallets, right? We have Royal Wallet, we have Eternal Wallet, and a whole lot of wallets. But I always prefer Eternal Wallet. In the first place, you have to go to your Apple Store or Play Store to download Eternal Wallet. So Eternal is spelled Eternal. That's how Eternal is spelled. So when you go to Google Play, you see it has these colors. There's E in the middle, and then it has these rainbow colors. Okay, so let's continue. You click on download, and then after it's downloaded, then you open it. So when you open it, you see the interface right away. You see open wallet. So you click on the open wallet for it to open. Since you are new to creating the wallet, just go add wallet, and then you see create wallet, right? So click on create wallet and then we move forward. So the next thing that you see is you are about to create your wallet, and then you are expected to provide your name, your password, and then you confirm your password again. So first thing, you put in your name. So if I'm creating it, I'll use my name Richmond. I'll put Richmond in there, and then I'll create my password, and I'll confirm the password. And when you are done, you click on the save to save your credentials, right? So the next thing that you have to do is to select the number of accounts that you want. So the number of accounts will be 1, so just put in 1 and then you click on save. The next step will let you have you see this confirmation that I can confirm that nobody can see my screen. So it will take you to another page where you are supposed to copy the seed phrase to a safe location. So when I mean safe location, is rather means putting it in your diary, right? Keeping it offline, because whenever you put your seed phrase online, you are attracting people to steal your money or your wallet, right? So you just click on the tick, you tick the checkbox. So you go to continue. So you have to write down this seed phrase, right? So just within 2 minutes, I'll give you some time to write them down. So yeah, so I'll like Mr. Sabanda to be going around checking, giving help to others that need helps to be able to write them down. If someone needs pen, paper, anything, but you have to make sure that it doesn't get lost. Whenever you get home, just try and make sure that you copy it into your diaries and then you keep them safe, because anytime your phone get lost or get damaged, when you get a new phone, that's the only thing that you can use to recover your seed phrase. I'll say that that's your password to your wallet. It's even important than the first password that you key in, because that one, when you forget about that password, you can use this to recover a new wallet. The next step, you have to re-enter all the seed phrase. Then after that, you take yes, I wrote it down carefully. Then you click on continue. So here they will provide you with the empty boxes to provide back the words that they gave you previously. So that's your seed phrase. You go back and then you copy it in there. So you put them in one by one until you get all the 24 seed phrase. When you are done with inserting all the 24 seed phrase, you tick on the checkbox. I understand that the only way to recover my wallet if my computer is lost, broken, stolen, or stops working is to use my wallet recovery phrase. The next step, you click on continue, and then voila, you have you have successfully opened or created your wallet. Now, my email is richmond@wada.org. So send the first person to send me his or her wallet address, and I'll deposit 10 ADA to his wallet. Thank you very much, and I'll end here.